What's up, family? Day 451 of trading. Day 451. See what we got here for you. Get rid of this floating panel. There we go. All right. Once again, day 451. Today is Friday, man. Today's Friday. Market is closed on Monday, so see what happens next week. But as far as today is concerned, today's game was negative 161.40. Total assets $15,999.30. From last week, I think we're up like $400 or $500. But somewhat even because I bought some more shares of TSLL, so that increased the total assets in the account. As far as the options account today, options account is down $578, mostly on the strength of Beyond, which I'll show you in a second. And the shares account is up $416.60. All right, take a look at the options account. Options account. Trade desk, our $80 strike price on trade desk with a 2028 expiration gave us $11 today. The $100 strike price with a 2027 expiration took back 19. The $80 strike price with a 2027 expiration took back 30. And then our friend Beyond here with his volatile ass took back $540. Take a look at the shares before we go look at the charts. UNHG went up 56 cents today, so that gave us $280. And TSLO went up 54 cents. See, I was at 200 shares. I think the last time I did a video here, bought 50 more. No, I was at 206. Then bought 44 more to give me an even 250. And then actually just today, I bought 20 more. And it went up today. So today's gain for TSLL is $136.60. And I think our total gain was negative 19 or so, being that I bought some more shares at a lower price. Took it down to 17.6 plus with the rise, did okay. Did all right. Well, let's take a look at the charts. UNH, we're on a 4-hour chart here. Go to an hour chart. Got some time to play. I'm so used to doing just 3-minute videos on TikTok and IG. Sometimes I forget I have more time here on YouTube. I try to keep it under around 10 minutes on YouTube. But UNH, we're snaking up. This is a downtrend, but looks like it may actually come down some more. UNH is probably going to come down to this support right here. It's going to try to come close to the 200 EMA. Yeah, 200 EMA looks like it's right about due. Take a quick look. Yeah, it's due to come back, but that's a normal thing. It'll probably come down here and then start bouncing back up. And that's when UNH will run. I think Tesla's going to run a little bit sooner than that. So Tesla's probably going to hit its target sooner. Have wave 1, 2, 3, 4 down, and 5 on its way up. So Tesla is definitely super bullish right now, where UNH is a little bit bearish. The last couple of hours of Tesla today, come down, probably touch this 20 EMA. That's a support, then push up because this is already narrow right here. It's going to try to come down maybe just a little bit more as this comes up, and then boom, we'll be going towards our Tesla target. See what's up with TTD. TTD went up $1.10 today, but for some reason the options wanted to be red. I don't get it, but plenty of time for those, and TTD is going to give us some nice profits when it hits. Hopefully, we'll get before 2027 expiration, we'll get those to hit because I have about 40, yep, 39 of those contracts. And then even if all of these expire worthless, which I don't think will happen, but even if it does, just these two right here will give me back all my money and give me some profit. So I'm not tripping at all. And that's why you go further out on the leaps. I actually want to get three more of these, but have to wait for another check. We'll make that happen. All right. Um, let's see. Beyond was down 2 cents today. And that's why it was down 500 and change. But there's no rhyme or reason because sometimes it'll be down and it'll give me $600. So yeah. But looks like it may hold support here, or may try to close this gap a little bit more. If it holds here, then we'll get this 20 EMA to kind of cross up and push it. And then it'll start boosting up. I have a $7 strike price here. If it gets anywhere near 7 with the time that I have left, be a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. All right. And those are the positions that I'm in. UNH, Tesla shares, TTD leaps, and beyond leaps. Anything else? Nope. That is it. I chose to just concentrate my money on UNHG and TSLL because those have some huge upside. If I could, I would get some more shares while it's down to 15 and kind of average that whole thing down. But 270 shares is pretty decent. I sold off some shares a while back because I had to pay some bills, but that's just life. It's real life. No, there's no faking here. What's really going on is what's really going on. I freelance, so I get checks every once in a while, and then I try to put some in the market. I pay bills with others, and that's it, man. This is just everyday life, the life of a trader that's still kind of working in between jobs. Sometimes I have to pull from this account to make ends meet. All right. Anyway, um, yeah, that's it. That's it. So will it be expecting UNH to come down? So I'm looking at UNH being bearish. And once again, I'm looking at Tesla being bullish. Tesla will be the first one to try, like I said, to try to go ahead and hit its targets. And then on TSLL, what that looks like is $21 first, then $25, and maybe up to 30. But I'm for sure aiming to $25, which is another $10 on TSLL, which $10 times 270 shares, so I'll give it another $2,700. So looking for this account to get up to right around 7K. All right. As far as UNH, I'm looking for this to double. So 7K here, 20K here, 27 total on that account. When the options account hits, to be honest, if these hit where they're supposed to hit, then we're looking at maybe like 100K in this account. We'll see. It depends on these 39 contracts right here. If they hit by next January, very, very good chance that it will. If it's a little bit late and these two contracts hit sometime in 2027, then this right here will be probably about 80K. No, not 80K. Probably be about 20K. 20K here. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted on that. Once again, if you want the shorter versions and just the day to day, what's going on as opposed to the weekly that's here on YouTube, go over to TikTok and IG, Swing Trader Tone. Otherwise, check in here every week, man. If you have any questions, holler back. I am teaching a class. I'm actually teaching my first class today, just a beginner to intermediate class today. It's going to be a 4-week class, 1 week, one class a week. And you'll learn a lot on that one. Trust me. All right, keep you posted. One love.